In question 21, you were asked to firstly construct an ogive and then make some approximations reading both off the cumulative frequency scale, what will become a percentage cumulative frequency scale relating to the groups of scores. Now, first thing you do is to complete the cumulative frequency column. So we'll interpret that as going from 3.70 to 3.75, but not including 3.75. Likewise, 375 to 380, but not actually including the point 380. So when I've done my x-axis for the time, you can see those scaling points being put in. We've got a total of 25 values, scores I should say, dragsters, and I've gone up to 26 there and indicated at 25. I'll now join these points up. Then the next thing I'll do is to create a percentage cumulative frequency scale on the right hand side. Now 100% will be there for the value of 25. I need then to find approximately 12.5. That will be my 50th percentile. Now the 50th percentile is an approximation to the median. Now a half of 12.5 is 6.125, so I'll go half again, just a very small amount over the 6, and that will give me the 25th percentile. And in a very, very similar way, I'll move up a notch. It'll be 18.625, to put that in around about there, will be the 75th percentile. Once again, the figures I get from my ogive will be approximations too. Continuing on now, in part B I'm asked to find the 25th percentile and the 75th percentile. The figures I find will be approximations, so I rule across from the 25% or 25th percentile, hit the ogive, and then read down to the groups of score axis. So it will be a bit of an estimation. I seem to be around about 382, I'll call it 383. So in other words, 25% of all times will be less than 3.83 seconds. Notice 3.83 is the score below which 25% of the scores will lie. In a very similar way, ruling across from my 75th percentile and reading down to the axis, of the order of 3.92 seconds. Once again, 75% of all scores will be quicker or less than 3.92 seconds. The median, the 50th percentile, ruling across and ruling down. So around about 3.86 or thereabouts. So 50% of all times be less than 3.86 seconds. Now I can then go ahead and work out what the interquartile range is simply by subtracting the 3.92 from the 3.83 So it's really an approximation, but the 75th percentile. Take away the 25th percentile. I'll leave you to do that. And we'll find the percentage of percentage of drag races completing the course in less than 3.9 seconds. So in this instance, I'm ruling up to the axis from 3.9 and then ruling across. I'll do it properly from the 3.9 now. It's a bit of an estimate, but of the order of 68%. It takes some time to review the work there, and feel free to replay this video as required.